Bharat Highways InvIT IPO share allotment could be finalized today, that's March 6th. And all those investors who really applied for this IPO can now check the allotment status of whether they have got the allotment of this IPO, whether it is on the registrar's portal, on the Bombay Exchange website or on the National Stock Exchange website as well. And this is the video that I will help you in understanding how exactly is the process and what are the simple steps in which you can easily check whether you are one of those lucky allottees of the Bharat Highways InvIT's IPO or not. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra. Bharat Highways IPO, remember, had opened on February 28th. It closed on March 1st. The Bharat Highways InvIT IPO subscription status was 8 times on the final day of the bidding. Now, investors can actually find out if and how many shares have they been given through the basis of allotment. The number of shares allotted can also be seen in the IPO allotment status. The company will initiate the refund process for all those applicants who are actually not given any shares. Those who will be allotted these shares will receive their shares directly in their demat accounts. Now, since the listing norms for Bharat Highways InvIT is T+6, the initiation of the refund process will commence on March 7th, that is tomorrow, Thursday, for individuals who are not given the shares. Those who will be allocated the shares will receive their shares in the demat accounts tomorrow itself. Now, Bharat Highways InvIT's IPO's listing date is scheduled for Tuesday, that's March 12th. Now, if you have applied for this Highways IPO, you can check whether the allotment has been initiated to you on the website of the IPO's registrar. In this case, it is Kfin Technologies. And in this, you will need to go on the website of Kfin Technologies, go into IPO status, and then once you click on the link mentioned on the screens, you will have to see 5 links that will appear on your screens where you can check the status. You can open any one of these 5 provided links. You need to select Bharat Highways InvIT IPO from the drop down menu in the select section. Then thereafter, you need to pick one of the 3 options to check the status: application number, demat account or PAN card. Now, if you choose the application number, you need to type that in, then enter the CAPTCHA code and click on submit. Once you've entered the CAPTCHA code, your account information, if you selected demat account, you need to click on submit. The PAN option is the third one, wherein you need to enter the PAN card number, again enter the CAPTCHA code and click on submit. Either of these situations, you will get to know what the status of your IPO allotment is. The second option is in case you are checking it via the Bombay Stock Exchange website. Here, you need to first take a step of go on to the website of Bombay Stock Exchange. Then you need to go on the section where it says issue type. You need to select equity in that. Then you need to choose the IPO from the drop down menu. Need to select issue name. Then go on to enter your PAN card or your application number. Now, in case you are going to be checking the allotment status on the National Stock Exchange website, what are the steps? Similar steps to Bombay Stock Exchange. You need to visit the NSE website, and then thereafter you need to select on click here to sign up. There will be an option once you will go on to the IPO status check section. You will need to put that on the website, and you must then register with your PAN number. You need to enter your username, password and CAPTCHA code in this case, and then you need to check the IPO status, which will be on a new page that will open. Now, here the as far as the grey market premium of this IPO is concerned, which actually indicates to you as to how much more money are people willing to pay over the issue price, what is the kind of demand that is getting generated in the unofficial market, is also something that will give you a clear idea of what can you really expect in case you have bid for this IPO as far as the listing of this IPO is concerned. In the grey market premium, it's just about 2 rupees, which actually indicates that they're trading at a premium of 2 rupees in the grey market, and this is as per the latest stock market information that we garner. Now, considering the upper end of the price span, the current market premium is about 2 rupees, so which means that it could be listed at 102 rupees. Remember, the listing day is still far off, and these could be just initial trends, and as it is, grey market premium is an unofficial indication, so this should not be seen as a clear indication of what the listing will be at. Bharat Highways InvIT's IPO was clearly in demand for the larger infrastructure story that investors have been betting big on. We've been seeing a slew of newer InvITs entering the Indian markets, and we've seen a set of investors who are betting big on the infrastructure story, really looking at Bharat Highways IPO as well. So that's how you check the allotment status. Going forward from here, whether or not you get the IPO, what will be the strategy beyond this? In case you have not received the IPO allotment, what should be your strategy once the stock gets listed? Should you really look for an opportunity in the listing space of Bharat Highways InvIT's IPO? That's something that you should check with us on the other set of the videos that we will post with the expert views once the listing of the IPO happens. Many thanks for tuning in. Until then.